Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I've been turning meme coins into profits without sitting here all day trading meme coins. I realize that the real edge isn't in chasing charts, but it's in being the one who is launching them and controlling the entire chart that makes the most amounts of money. Once I started deving, bro, my crypto portfolio went to the fucking moon, and that's exactly why I am making this video. If you are tired of losing money, this video is for you. If you're tired of losing money in meme coins, well, pay attention, because my Phantom wallet hit $9.1 million, all from launching coins the right way, and that's exactly why in this video, I'll break down the entire strategy step by step for you guys. Now, most people don't lose in meme coins or in this space because they're bad at trading. They lose because trading is now dead and the new meta is deving, because every single time they buy a coin, bro, they get completely dumped on, just like this chart. They buy in here, 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 and here really early, and after a couple seconds, the dev dumps on their position and they just give up and lose all their money. Now that's exactly why I completely switched from trading to deving, because now I am the one in control. I am risking nothing at all, and I just launch coins over and over again, repeating this pattern right here. Now that's exactly why a bunch of traders like Orangey and Cupsy are endorsing deving. It's way better than trading, and that's the truth. It's low risk, high upside, and honestly, bro, deving meme coins is way more satisfying when you can succeed. That's why I'm making this video. But if you trade meme coins, bro, your capital could end up in the hands of these devs at any given time. That's why I highly recommend to start deving. Now the process is simple. You just release the token on chain, wait for buyers, and then take profits and you rinse and repeat that method however many times that you want. Launching has become the new meta in 2026 on chain because it costs nothing to make coins, and that's a fact too. That's exactly how I built my entire portfolio from the ground up, so keep watching because I'm going to show you how it's done. And by the way, bro, this video is entirely for educational purposes only. Please do not copy me. I am not a financial advisor. Let's go, bro. Cap! Now, most people, when they want to launch a meme coin for the first time, or just in general, most devs, they make their meme coins on Pump.Fun. Now, do not get me wrong, Pump.Fun can be really profitable, but in most cases, when you launch a meme coin, it will go nowhere. No one will buy your coin because there's too much competition and it's oversaturated, bro. Too many coins are created non-stop. On top of that, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your profits because they hold your coins and they take a cut from your supply. Now, the ultimate goal as a dev is to get their meme coin in front of the Raydium DEX, which means to migrate their coin right here, where thousands of people are going to see their coin and then buy in, all because it's migrated to Raydium. Now, to reach that point, your coin needs to reach a $45,000 market cap on Pump.Fun, or it's 55,000, I believe, somewhere around there, and that takes too much luck. So I would highly recommend everyone watching this video to launch your meme coins using create.meme.io, because it's a simple fact that every single coin launched through create.meme.io gets immediately migrated to Raydium, reaching thousands of people, thousands of traders on the spot, and that's exactly how you convert attention into buyers. That's why a bunch of people are gatekeeping create.meme.io. Now, to make a coin, you have two options and it's up to you to choose. The first way is to create a custom coin. I like to go on X, right, and look for narratives to possibly turn into a custom coin. For example, right, there's a war going on in between Iran and the United States. That is a good narrative, okay, to make a meme coin out of. But anyways, once you have a narrative, invent a name, add a symbol, add an image, and then you're done. But the second method is what I do every single day to make my profits, and that is by using the copy trending coins feature. Why is it so profitable? Well, it's because all these coins have a good narrative. That's why they're all showing up right here. All these coins are gaining a bunch of attention, a bunch of traction on Pump.Fun right now, and that's why I would highly recommend the Vamp coins from here. Relaunch them to Raydium, and then you can bag a bunch of more conversions and traders in your coin. I will do an example to show you how it's done. But anyways guys, now it's time for the live example. I will be vamping a coin and then seeing how much we can make all in this video, starting from now. First of all, make sure Phantom Wallet is connected, right? It's really easy, it takes a second. Click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy. I'm going to copy the Yi coin. Why not? It looks decent. Click copy the Raydium. Wait for Phantom Wallet to pop up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm. I understand right here, and then confirm. And then the coin will be copied or vamped. It's the same exact thing. And just wait, and bang. If I go on SoulScan for some proof, you guys can see that it was minted 10 seconds ago. Everything is working. The Yi coin, a billion coins, everything is legit, everything works. But yeah bro, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page right here, this step of the process is really easy. Okay, we are basically just creating the liquidity pool for the Raydium DEX. It will go directly to Raydium once it's created. Now for the amount of coins right here, click on 90%. That is what I recommend everyone in every video, to put 900 million tokens right under for the amount of Solana to pair. Okay, this is basically the first initial buy into your coin. It's the first transaction. It's required, okay, because you will be buying part of the supply of your coin, and that will determine how much profits you make. Okay, so it's really important. You are not losing anything here though. I'm going to put 0.3 Sol for example, but you will get this back later once you dump the coin. It's all good. Okay, click on create pool, wait for your Phantom Wallet to pop up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and boom, the Yi coin is now live, and your profits and all the stats are going to be right there. Now look, if you do click on the refresh button if you want, well, as you guys can see, wow, we're up 170 bucks on the dot right here. Okay, it has been around, I would say, 30 seconds, right? And we're already up $70. That's because people are buying in. Usually on my coins I average around $20 to $40 on the first refresh, but every launch is different. Click on view on Photon or Axum, or go on your desired trading platform to see the coin. Let me go on full screen for a better view, then wait for your coin to load up in your terminal. And as you guys can see guys, our coin is now officially live. It's a bit slow, just give it some time for it to go up and up and up, because more people are going to see the coin, and then they're going to decide if they want to buy in, and bang bro, we already have a lot of green buys. Damn, a $72 buy. That's insane. That's exactly why I highly endorse deving bro. It's literally way better than trading bro. We made this coin for literally $0, and now here we have proof of concept. 1.4k market cap. I'm pretty sure we're up like $300 to $400 by now. Okay, 40 bucks, that's not bad. Now guys, all you have to do is just wait for a coin to go up, and then cash out, right? Now I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. I will do a quick montage, a quick time lapse, and when I come back I will show you guys exactly how to cash out in Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 6k market cap, 2.2k liquidity. Things are looking absolutely insane. Now guys, to cash out, okay, come back to create meme.io obviously, and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here bro, we are going to receive around 1.94 $1,000 in profits. That is on this one coin. Now to cash it out actually inside your Phantom wallet, click on the minus button, do 100% remove all, remove liquidity, wait for your wallet to show up. And as you guys can see here, bro, we are going to receive around 22 Solana. It's the exact same thing as 1.9k. Click on confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you cash out on your own coin. Now look, I am not capping, I received the entire payout in my Phantom wallet, and even though the volume on Pump.Fun and in the crypto markets are low, deving meme coins still remains profitable. That's exactly why I'm making this video, but obviously it's all for educational purposes only. You can do whatever the fuck you want with this information. Like, comment, subscribe, create meme.io will be linked everywhere, or just go on Google, go on any browser, click create meme.io, and you will be there exactly. Peace out.